So this is a Mercedes CLS. Was getting a knocking noise from the front suspension on the driver's side. The noise was coming from the upper part of the suspension. So to check what is causing the noise, the best way to do is to jack up the car first, and then you need to put some wooden blocks under the lower arm suspension like this, and that's to relieve the tension, because these suspension are all under tension. And then you lower the jack basically until the car is resting on these wooden blocks, and that way you relieve the tension on all the ball joints. So now I'll show you where the problem is, and it is in here, this upper arm ball joint. See, now I can easily move this and you can see the knocking noise. Can you see that? So that's the knocking noise I was getting. You can also check the other bolts to see if there's any movement or noise, and there isn't. So that's what I wanted to share with you. That's the best way to check these upper ball joints. Thank you. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks.